No, no, you started this one.
Me? I don't start. That's all you.
Jesse,
It's always
Jesse,
you.
look, listen. I can't even afford you a house. Look at this camera quality and even its sound. It's just, the truth is, I'd rather cook. Sound check, sound check. What's up, Vincent here. It's good to be back. God bless 2021. Hoping each one of you fine health like a fine wine. A special episode for my compelled viewers. First, I got this anecdote for you. I got to jail once trying to steal this Nico Robin figurine in Comic Alley around 2009. Walk you on with my favorite prison food. First, we got onion, egg, pepper, ground beef, around 15 grams, and a pinch of salt. Or maybe you can add more.
Potato.
And just let's hop onto it, baby. Gracefully,
Dice.
the onion. Keyword, being graceful. What a slacky job, a minimum wage performance at its core. Dice the potato. Okay, pick up line. You're a basketball, empty inside and likes to game with 10 boys.
Magic.
Grease the pan in medium heat and pepper the pan for the first layer of seasoning because ILY means I love you. Hahaha, kiligin ka sana.
Ikaw ay corny.
Drop the paint. Admire the beauty. Looking like Jonghyun. Annyeong haseyo. Yamete kudasai.
Ikaw ay corny.
Never forget another seasoning. This will be the second layer. And what more else? MSG. Important. Drop the egg at the chunky center. And wow, keep in mind the word clean.
Tanga.
Sasawag kita sa adobo mamaya. Shout out for Aniel. Woo! Yes, congrats! Bagong kasal. Yes, baby. Table napkin on the plate before you place the art. You don't want residual oil on the painting. For the topping, drop the beef. Don't be excited as this one. You know it's done if it smells like peace, nature, life, or men's comfort room around 6 a.m. Keep the heat even or else you'd be knifing the beef on the surface like this one did. Drop the onion with the beef for at least 40 seconds. Now it looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. Keep the beauty in the heart and be artsy with it. Reasons why you should marry me is this. But of course, you'd rather be in jail. Optional idea, the bread. Where's the bread? That's it. It complements nothing, so maybe why not? Prison food under $2, darling, or else you can get it for free by doing illegalized practices. Until next time.